Hey y'all, it is Kandi and I am coming to you today with a little unboxing of some products that I purchased from a fellow YouTuber. So her name is Laura Russell. Her YouTube channel is at Healthy Carnivore. So Laura is a nurse and she's a fellow YouTuber that does videos on the carnivore diet and making healthy products. So she also has a website that I'm going to link down below for y'all to check out. And she sells these products that are made with tallow and they're non-toxic. They're all natural. And when I seen that, I thought that I would take a look at her site and get some products and review them. So I'm very excited. I did get this in last week, but I have not had a chance to open it yet. I can't remember everything that I bought, but I know I think I got some lotion and toothpaste and deodorant, things like that. So let's check it out. So the first thing I pulled out of here is a vanilla body soap. Smells really good, and I will show you the little design on it. Super cute, really cute design. It's got a little bee. I like bees. So I'm gonna try that out tomorrow morning at my next shower. This is going to be tooth powder. So I did get the peppermint flavored, and it smells good. This is how it comes. It's just little granules. You would just sprinkle this on your toothbrush and brush your teeth like normal, and then you don't have to worry about all those byproducts that are in other toothpastes and fluoride that we don't want. So that smells really good. I love the smell of peppermint, and I'm sure it will make my mouth feel wonderful. Okay. So this next product is the deodorant. It is a scent of peace, so I don't know what that is, but I didn't even know you could make deodorant out of tallow. So it's a little tiny roll-on, it looks like. We will see how this works, but it smells pretty good. Okay, so I got another soap. Let's see what scent I got on this one. Oh yeah, it's the bergamot scent. So it looks the same as the other one. Yeah, that's a good scent too. Really cute design. And I'm wondering if I can use these soaps on my hair as well. I know I have in the past had natural soap that I bought and I used them on my hair. So I will have to check her website out and see what it says about that. So this one is just a tallow lotion in the scent of peace. And it looks very creamy. I'm going to try some of that right now. I have found that tallow lotion or just plain tallow is the only thing that I have ever used that keeps my cuticles from peeling back. So I go a couple days without using tallow and immediately my skin starts peeling back again. So I am glad to have some tallow lotion. If y'all have not tried tallow as a lotion, you should do it. Check it out. It goes on a little greasy at first, but I find that it absorbs pretty quickly. All right, so we got some bug repellent. This I'm going to give to my daughter because she gets attacked by mosquitoes. It's ridiculous. I do not understand why. I can be sitting next to her and she'll have 10 million bites and I will have none. So since my daughter's my bug repellent, I'm going to gift her some bug repellent. So let's see how it smells. I should have opened this when I first got it because she is on a trip right now and she's going to Arkansas, and I know there's mosquitoes in Arkansas. It smells good. It smells better than any bug repellent I've ever used. So it's just a natural bug repellent. Okay, this is just a facial serum to put on your face. I don't even remember buying this. So I have makeup on right now, so I cannot put it on my face. But looks like it's just some type of oil. It smells good. So I will be using that tomorrow morning. Okay, I got another bar of soap. Oh, this is shampoo, I think. This is the shampoo bar. So I think I answered my earlier question. So this one, the shape's a little bit different. It's oval, really cute bees on it still. And that is the shampoo bar. And the last thing is going to be shaving cream that I purchased. I am really excited to try this out because even when I use like shaving cream, I don't know why, but I feel like I always nick my skin. So hopefully this will help out in that aspect. And now I put so much lotion on I can't get it off. Okay. All right. And it's no scent. It's just a tallow shave cream. So it looks like this is a thicker mixture, but it does come off quite nicely. So I'm going to rub that on my skin before I shave. So I am excited to use these products. Thank you, Laura, for shipping them so quickly to me. They look very promising, and I will let you know how I like them. Anyways, thanks for following along today and hope to catch you here next time. Until then, stop eating processed foods.